I'll tell you what, guys, if I could pick a job, I wish I could get a full-time job in the garage with a race car. This would be fantastic. Got wires, gotta make them up. Yep. Well, what we're doing here is fabbing up an exhaust. Got some couplers here. I'm gonna do some welding and some more welding. More welding. And I'm gonna have to do some work. Fabbing up some exhaust here. Mufflers. Canceled. So, gotta weld that up right there with his welder. But I can only do it during the day or else it will blow a fuse. And I have to do it when it's sunny out. There's his welder. I wonder if we turn this thing off. Yeah. Okay, now let's just get gas. Got a race car. Got plenty of new wires to put in. And exhaust. So right now, it has none. But straight pipes coming out the back. Got a long enough pipe. But we won't. Only need a short section. I got this pipe for free. Won't tell you where. Won't tell you where, but I got it for free. So, still don't know what to do as far as work. At least I can be thankful that I have a job. Well, I want to be more than thankful. I want a better job. Maybe at American Racing. Making tires for $20 an hour. Or driving a Corvair race car. Not a Mustang, Corvair race car. Yep. Got those out. I get those ceramic coated. It'll be nice. Last forever. Got plenty of American Racing stickers. White and black. Alright guys, well, got some work to do on the race car. So, probably gonna go sleep over our house again tonight. Go drive in the rain. I like to drive in the rain. Alright guys, see you later. Off. Making exhaust. It'll be done sometime. Alright, got mufflers. Yep. Anybody want any mufflers? They're Flowmaster. Flowmaster. Alright, well. First pipe is in. It's the first pipe. Gotta do a spot weld there. And I'm working on the second pipe actually right here. But I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Radio. I wonder if I have my tripod. Oh, I don't think so. Installed heights for valves. thing that I hate the most is with this Corvair thing. Got Mr. H. Everybody's bad-mouthing everybody. I freaking hate that. I hate it when everybody bad-mouths everybody. I think that's bullshit. Just stop bad-mouthing everybody. Okay, you have a bad experience. Doesn't mean it's gonna be the bad experience for everybody. So, everybody in the Corvair world, I hope you guys just stop bad-mouthing everybody. Second thing, this military thing, I'm leaning more towards the Army National Guard because, well, I need to do something with my life. I need to do something with my life. And the Army National Guard is, I think, a great way to do it. So I might be joining. My parents don't approve. And I don't care. My girlfriend will support me 100%. That's awesome. I think I'm going to go for it. Got a lot more things to do. And a lot more butterflies to get in my stomach. So, let's do this shit. Stop being a fucking pansy. Let's do some welding. Because this is what I do. I have fun and I weld. So, oh. Let's do some welding. I wish you guys could talk back to me, cause I can figure out what the hell I'm gonna do in my life. Maybe you guys decide. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Bring her up. Bring her up. Yep. Burn a hole through it. Good job. Looking good. Weld her up.
Today's best variety. 1996 commercials.
What do you think? Pretty good, huh? Not a bad welder. Oh. Oh, well, that's cooling off. Straight pipes. Rules and regulations. What the hell is the world coming to? What the hell is the world gonna come to? Come on, baby! Yeah, clean that out. Yep. Oh yeah. There we go. That's where it goes. So, guys, what do you think? Army National Guard? Or should I try and go to like AT&T or SNAT or blah blah blah? So I gotta admit, not getting tired of this racing thing, but I'm definitely getting tired of Bolt. Getting tired of where I am. So with that being said, I'll talk to you later, guys. And I'm having fun with the exhaust. See ya!